Hey financial warriors, welcome to the show. Now, if you invest $100 in Bitcoin right now, you'll have $1,000 in 5 years' time. Now, this is a prediction according to highly respected CEO of ARK Invest, Cathy Wood. She made the prediction yesterday saying Bitcoin will rise from the current mid 40,000 range up to 500,000 in a 5-year time frame. But this is dependent on one thing. Here's a summary of what she said from Business Insider. Her price prediction depends on whether companies continue to diversify their balance sheets into the biggest cryptocurrency by market value, which is Bitcoin, and institutional investors begin to allocate 5% of their funds to it, which is something that a lot of institutional investors are currently starting to do. Now, we've already started to see this happen over the past year or so, the most famous example of which is probably Tesla buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and then making more money through unrealized capital gains as their Bitcoin rose than they did selling cars that year, and then famously stopping accepting Bitcoin for cars because of environmental reasons and tanking the entire market. Perhaps Elon Musk to stick to Dogecoin.
Dogecoin was invented as a joke.
To the moon!
To the moon.
But Tesla does still hold its Bitcoin, and it certainly created a great buying opportunity for investors. More recently, the world's biggest corporate holder of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, bought an additional 5,000 coins and now holds over $5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Now, Wood is also confident about Ethereum and says that she is allocating 40% to Ethereum with the other 60% of her crypto holdings in Bitcoin. And the reason she gives for favoring Bitcoin is that countries are now adopting it. Some countries are now adopting it as legal tender. Notably, El Salvador just started accepting Bitcoin about a week ago. Check out this tweet. Just walked into McDonald's in San Salvador to see if I could pay for my breakfast in Bitcoin. TBH, fully expecting to be told no, but lo and behold, they printed a ticket with a QR code that took me to a web page with Lightning invoice, and now I'm enjoying my desayuno tradicional. Now, countries adopting Bitcoin as legal tender certainly gives legitimacy to the cryptocurrency and creates demand because their central banks will need to buy it, and also consumers in those countries will be buying it as well to use it to pay for things. Then in addition, if we see companies and investors diversifying into Bitcoin with 5% of their holdings, this thing could really go to the moon. Now, this is obviously according to Wood's theory, but she has issued predictions about stocks that have gone to the moon in the past. In 2018, Wood made the call that Tesla would hit $4,000, and in fact, it hit $4,500. Although Tesla has now performed a 1-to-5 stock split, so the price per share seems lower, but actually in 2018 terms, it did hit that target. And in case you are wondering, her current price target for Tesla is $3,000, split adjusted. And for your information, Tesla stock is currently trading around $700. Guys, if you want to invest in Tesla or Bitcoin, why not check out the brokerage app Webull? I will put the link below. You can get 2 free stocks, with the second one valued up to $2,000 for depositing any amount of money in the app. I know, isn't that crazy? It's like free money. Obviously, luck of the draw what stock you get. If you want to check it out, click the link below. As always, please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below. When do you think Bitcoin is gonna hit $5,000? If at all, I'd love to hear what you think. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.